Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research, Episode 18. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 18th episode of Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first niche for today is this Father's niche. Father's Day niche. Father's Day is June 20th, so although it's still a little bit away, but it's not too early to start making designs so that your designs will have time to rank and the early birds can start purchasing from you. So that gives you an advantage over the others who are going to upload their designs later. So this design says it's not a dad board, it's a father figure. So it's a funny design as well as uses that grunge text, the distress text grunge design. Yeah, so let's take a look at the statistics. It is priced at $17.95, over 351 sales and over 194 reviews. And taking a look at the BSR, it says overall trend is up, so it's already trending even though Father's Day is not here. That's because it's an all year round niche. And if you scroll down, you can see the BSR. Its overall trend is up, and here are the keywords that you can use with this niche: father, humor, party, family, collection, and all the like. So this is the same design on a hoodie, and it has already been selling. It already has 4 reviews, and this is the same design. Maybe it looks like it's in the EU marketplace, and it has already 28 reviews. So that's the first niche for today. A second niche for today is this graduating class shirt. It says proud mom of class 2021 graduate. So obviously you could change this mom to proud dad, proud uncle, proud sister, proud aunt, proud grandma, and all the rest. So this is just one design that you can use to make many designs, as I've been telling you in the past. And look at this, guys. So it is priced at $14.95, sold over 199 times, and over 51 reviews. And overall trend is up because it's that time of the year when students are graduating. And look at this BSR, guys. It has fallen on it. I think it already touched one here. And here are the keywords that you can use with this niche: proud, graduation, funny, family, graduate, senior, and all the like. And it's not just for high school seniors, it's seniors even at the college levels. And that's why I like this design, because it doesn't really specify. But if you want to get granular, that's a good thing too. Like if you want to specify proud mom of a 2021 high school graduate, proud dad of a class 2021 college graduate, things like that. It can make your design much more specific. And when many people who want that specific design will obviously go for your design. But if you want to go broad, that's up to you too. So scrolling down here is just what I was talking about before. I knew that the author of the design has already made things like that, so I was not really surprised to see it. So here it is: uncle, mom, cousin, grandpa, dad, grandma, aunt, sister, brother, uncle. Okay, so there you go. And all of them are selling if you can take a look at it. So this is just one design that if you make and you discover that it's selling, then you go ahead and make more of them. Everywhere it is selling, guys, and it already has reviews, so it tells you that this is not just a design that was put up right now. It's been selling over and over again. And if you want to have more sales, you can link it with something related to quarantine. And be careful not to put COVID there, because we obviously get your design rejected. So be careful your keywords with things like this. If you want to include something related to the pandemic, that's up to you. But be careful with your keywords in order not to get rejected. So that's the second niche for today. A third niche is Cinco de Mayo. So Cinco de Mayo, I think is in around 3 days time. With Prime, you can have your t-shirt delivered in 2 days. So although it's quite close, but you could still upload. That's up to you. If you want to upload to this niche, it's up to you. So Cinco de Mayo, it's Fiesta. So this design, it's priced at 15.95, over 164 sales, 59 reviews. And as you can tell from the BSR, overall trend is up, as you can see here. Here are the keywords, very few keywords. This is quite amazing. Just single Mayo Mexican guitar cactus and yes, cactus. So very few keywords and no other niches from the or similar designs from the same author. So that's it for our third niche, Mexican Cinco de Mayo holiday. This is not really a niche. This is still in the Cinco de Mayo niche. I was wondering how this design got to it. I was wondering if the author of the design made a very small the design with a pocket, or if this is a particular shirt that has the pocket design. So it's just something that was crossing in my mind, and I was wondering if this is actually the designer designed this as a pocket shirt. I'm not sure about this, so guys, please let me know in the comment section below a if there's a shirt that is a pocket t-shirt, or if it's a designer that designed it like this, because it's been having a great traction of sales. If you can tell from this, I'll see how it fall here, guys. Um, the overall trend is up. Many people want this. And like I always said, when you see sales this high with very few reviews, that tells you that there was a very short period of time that people discovered this t-shirt and bought it, and there was a very people still have to come and leave their reviews. That's why you see very high sales like this with very low reviews. So this t-shirt was priced 1985, and as you can tell from the BSR, it is selling. If you scroll down, you will see the keywords that you can use with this niche. You have something like Fiesta, Pocket, yeah, pocket. I'm sure many people are searching for pocket design, and that's the thing. Pocket designs are very few in such a way that if people come across pocket designs, they tend to buy it. Another one is an example is this one right here. So, although this is not a niche, I'll just show you guys an example of pocket or t-shirt pocket designs that is really selling. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. So it is a design that I'm looking forward to making myself, because I'm seeing that there's a very few of them, and if you know me very well, you will know that anything that has to anything that has to do with making you stand out of the crowd is something you should go for. It is very unique. It's a unique concept that I'm thinking of designing myself. So that's why I was asking you guys to let me know in the comment section below if this is a particular shirt, or if it's the designer that made this design as a pocket design. Is a great and unique idea that many people are loving, as you can tell from the sales, and as you can tell from the reviews and the BSR and all the like. So that was it for the food niche. The fifth niche is this Dogecoin. So I'm guessing this is the official logo for Dogecoin. Um, so it has this grunge looking design, and many people are loving it. As you can tell from the BSR, overall trend is up, current trend is up, and it has sold over 104 times, price 19.95, over 20 reviews. So here are the keywords that you can use with this design. And if you scroll down, same brand. Okay, now this is getting interesting. So this is another pocket design. Do I say pocket design? So I'm beginning to guess that it is not Like it's not Amazon that makes it available for you, that you are the one who makes your design this small and place it to the right, if you understand what I mean. So when you're designing, instead of putting it in the center and making it very large like the regular designs do, you make it small and put it in the upper right hand section of your design. I'm sure that this is how they're getting these designs right here, pocket designs. Then take for example, if you want to make like the actual pocket, like draw a pocket, they will just add maybe a pocket here, like draw it. So that's what I'm guessing they made it. I am not really sure. Let me know your opinions in the comment section below. We all know that um, Amazon merch t-shirts and hoodies, they are just plain. They don't have the pocket that is made specifically for your design. So I'm guessing this is how these designs came about. All right, moving on to the next niche. I'm guessing this is the last niche or a bonus niche. This is a bonus niche, niche number 6, Japanese cherry blossom artwork or art print. So this is for anime lovers and manga lovers. So this is, and Japanese too, Japanese artwork, and it has just been placed on a t-shirt and it's doing very well in sales. Price at 1999, 1998, over 97 sales and 1,000 reviews. And overall trend is up. I'm guessing there's so many anime lovers out there, guys. If you've taken note, anything anime, gaming, and all the like, kawaii, all of it, it's really doing well. I think it's a niche that I should upload more designs to. So here are the keywords that you can use: blossom, kamata. So here's the thing with these niches: if there's a word that you're not sure of, it's advisable that you research it and check the trademark. If not, your design will be rejected. So that's just a thought right there. And here are similar designs from the same brand. It's like, oh, all of them have not sold. They haven't sold, so let's not even analyze it. Right. So looking ahead, we're gonna go to the calendar and take a look at the upcoming events. So I did a research before making the video. I'm just gonna show you guys. So Cinco de Mayo, like I said, is 3 days from now. This is on the 5th, so it's 3 days from now. Our next event we're looking forward to is Mother's Day. That is also 5 days away or so, 7 days away, guys. And Tax Day, next event, Memorial's Day, and Juneteenth. Then Father's Day. So these are the events that you should be making designs for in the upcoming weeks. So guys, I'm gonna leave it there for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about pronouncing and KP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.